Hello everyone who is watching this video. On today's video we continue reviewing my trading sessions, and on today we had the 6 trades, and some of them was interesting, some of them was not. But this is a trading, it doesn't really have to be a fun, it have to be a profitable. So let's just start. And I'm starting my day with the XLM and USDT coin. So as we see here, the price was moving on this range of coming to a support and going to a resistance level. But here I'm expecting that the support level going to be broken, and I'm going short here. Why I'm expecting that the price going to break the support level? Because as we see on the Bitcoin chart, the price start dropping, the price start have a massive drop, let's say. And I'm not planning to sit for long in this position, because like it's difficult to predict till what price the Bitcoin can drop, and it may have a strong bounce back here. So I'm putting my limit orders in case if they're going to be a squeeze moments and the price can take my limits. And the only thing left is just wait, like when the price going to take. And I'm also expecting that if they're going to be a good moments, I'm going to just put my stop losses. And I'm expecting to increase my stop losses to a profitable loss, let's say. I was expecting actually a good squeeze movement, because we break the support level, and normally when the price breaking the support level there is a strong squeeze movement. But so I'm taking decision to put a stop loss close to a price, yes, and the price takes it, and I'm just closing with a stop loss. And we coming to a ZIL coin. Here, as we see, the price came to a good support line that I put before, and the Bitcoin is also shows like we have a chance to a reverse pattern here. So I'm opening long from this support level. And about the ZIL, I'm expecting a like till the end of this bull run movement, I'm expecting the price of like $2-3 for the ZIL coin, and I collected a good amount on my stop as well. I mean on my spot account. Here I put a grid of limit orders in case if we're gonna have a good bounce here, and putting my stop loss to a good place, so we're gonna have a profitable position. But as we see, the price takes my stop loss, and my next trade was on the same coin, and is almost from the same place. I'm taking a pullback from this support level. I'm expecting a good movement actually, because I'm seeing that the Bitcoin gives some, we have like beginning of confirmation of the reverse pattern on the Bitcoin. So we have a chance to get a good movement on ZIL as well. And about ZIL coin, you have a strong fundamental base, and the developers are strong as well. If you're thinking about to buy some coins, to purchase some coins on your spot account, I want you just to make a research about this coin, and you might like it as well. It's not a recommendation, it's just like it's a recommendation for you to take a look at this coin, read about this coin, make some research about this coin. Here is nothing like interesting for now happening, so let's just take a look at the trade. Yes, here we have a confirmation of reverse pattern on the Bitcoin, but I closed my position a bit early on this coin actually, because we had a massive bounce back, and I closed it very early. I was looking to to remove this take profit, but I doesn't want to be a greedy. And it brings us 31% plus 13% with the first trade, and we're making like 44% on the trade on ZIL. Here is the next coin. I'm seeing that the price came to a good level, and I'm opening long position. Actually, I started a bit late to record this trade, because I didn't double check it because I thought I already pressed a record, but you know, sometimes it's happening. So the price came to a good support level as I draw before on the chart, and I'm taking long position here, but you know, there is always like some buts happening in your life. So you know, I like, this is my biggest mistake that I'm doing. I'm bringing my stop loss to really close to the price, because sometimes this, you know, sometimes there is a price squeezing a bit, and it takes a stop loss, so you cannot take all the profit. But it's okay, we closing anyway, like, you know, but this gives you opportunity to close your trade with a profit, so it's not bad as well at the other side. Yeah, so there is nothing interesting on this trade. The price just takes us with a stop loss, and the next trade was on the AR coin. As you can see, I draw on the chart, we have a local uptrend movement, and I'm seeing that the price trying to break it, so I'm taking short position here. I'm start opening short position here. I opened with a small amount because in case if we're gonna give some bones from this level, I'm gonna add a bit more liquidity to my position. And here my expectation is to take like, don't know, something like 20, maybe 25% on this trade, because most of the time when the price breaking the upward movement or any trend line, we have a good squeeze movement. So because you know, everybody putting the stop losses right behind the trend line, so we have a chance to get a good squeeze movement. And also because of the Bitcoin is looks a bit weak now, so we have this uncertainty. Maybe, you know, the price will change the upward direction to, it can change the trend line, let's say. Yeah, basically, with the simplifying it, let's say. So yes, I'm expecting to take around maybe 20-25% from this trade. So yes, this is a squeeze moment that I was waiting. I'm putting a limit order and I'm putting my stop loss. So, and we'll see which one the price will take. And the price taking my stop loss and we're getting 30% from this trade, like, is a bit higher even than my expectation. So that's nice. And we're coming to my last trade for today. It was on the 1-inch coin. I remember the days when this coin was so popular. And we see here there is a strong resistance level that was on the, like, it was on the story. I'm thinking that I will show this resistance level at the end of the video, but you know, I'm not sure. But this resistance level was so strong, so I was expecting a small, actually not small, I was expecting a pullback from this level. So I'm putting my limit orders in case we're going to have a good squeeze movement. And as we see on the Bitcoin chart, the Bitcoin is dropping as well, which is good for our position. So you know, there is a lot of good chances, let's say, to, you know, to close this position with a good profit. And at the same time, honestly, I was expecting a good squeeze movement, right? But you know, it didn't happen. So this is the reason why I put my stop loss, because you know, we already test this level. So you know, it's now, like, now I'm start thinking that maybe this trade was not that good. But you know, I already take a good profit here, so I'm just increase my stop loss, because I'm seeing that there is a small consolidation of the price, and the price is not moving so strong as the Bitcoin is dropping. So you know, that, like, that's why my stop loss is close to the price actually. So if you guys like my videos, what I'm doing, if you want to support me, you can support me by putting a like to the video and start subscribing my channel. I'll be really appreciate you for it, because it helps me to promote the videos on the YouTube. So if you like it, don't forget to put a like button, don't forget to press it. And let's come back to the chart. There is still there is nothing interesting happening, but we're already up to around maybe 20%. So, and the price takes me with a stop loss, and this was my last trade for today. Hope you guys enjoyed watching my videos, hope you spend your time usefully. Yep, hope you learned something from this video, and I will see you on my coming video. Wish you all the wealth.